Meet the AEG 6000 series washing machines that reduce wear and tear by protecting against overwashing, load after load. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. Many eco programs save energy. The Eco Time Save option also saves time. Simply select both options for an energy-efficient wash that is as quick as possible. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Keeping clothes looking their best, every wear, every wash. The AEG 6000 series washing machines.